Hey, it's DJ Spy Guy, and I am back on the bike. The bike is back from getting fixed. I'll talk more about that on the ride to work. I'm working in a new building now. My bike is super quiet now. There's lots of things that are different but the same. The bike route's going to be about the same to work. I can also take a different way if I want. But it's about a kilometer closer, actually. So these bike streams are going to be a little bit shorter now. But that's okay. Let's get the chat going.
Stream online at Monday, March 30th, 2026. Whoa. 9 hours, 12 minutes. And 32 seconds AM. Udon said, yo, Udon said, how was the car show?
Hey, Udons. I will talk about the car show.
Physics said, hi, is Strava running?
Strava is going. Also got a shout out Thunder Spanner and Brian Dunaway. New followers. Those guys are streamers. That's pretty cool. I watch both of them. And now they're following.
Udon said, W.
All right. Let's go. Yeah, quiet bike. No more taka sound as I'm coasting. Boom. Let's see. Good weather too to start the day off. Yeah, last 2 weeks I was taking the bus to work. A bus, a train, and another bus.
Linux Physics said, so, what did they do for the bike?
They basically, I got a new rear wheel completely built from scratch. And the thing that was taking forever to get was the free hub from Shimano. Because they had the rim, they had the spokes, they had all that stuff. So yeah, I got a new wheel. I got a new chain. I got, what else did I get? They cleaned up my rear cassette with an ultrasonic cleaning. Oh, I also had to get a new rotor for my rear wheel. But wow, this thing is riding really nice. This is going to be the first time I'm really riding the bike. And we still got some cherry blossoms to see. They haven't blown away yet.
Linux Physics said, darn, no new cassette. It would be slightly smoother.
Well, they said the cassette was fine. I'm noticing a little bit of extra slack on my chain. Like when I go to pedal, there's a little bit of slack before it kicks in. Oh, that's okay, I think. Shout out to Mac Tala Cycles on Broadway, or sorry, on Hastings and Penticton. And Zach and Justin over there at Mac Tala. Good stuff. I will go back there. My original bike shop just sort of was like, yeah,
Linux Physics said, I think that slack is a hub problem, if it even a problem.
It's not really a problem. I don't feel it at all when I'm riding, so. Yeah, so my original guys, which we're gonna go past up here, I guess they're still a bit more specialty bike shop with e-bikes and fancy cargo bikes. So they were like, oh, we can't get you that part very quickly, so sorry, bye. This Velo bike, Velo Lifestyle, they're cool, they're good and everything, do great work, but I mean, I would have had them, if it was going to be 2 weeks, I would have let them do it too.
Linux Physics said, cargo bikes are probably quite specialized.
Yeah, but they do work on every kind of bike there.
Linux Physics said, I wouldn't be surprised if cargo bike need thicker chains.
Ooh, everything's feeling good. I got to figure out where to stop on my bike ride today. I think I know where I'm going to stop it. All right, we're going through the school zone while people are still getting dropped off, it looks like. I just heard the buzzer.
Linux Physics said, buzzard, it's 9:20 a.m.
Yeah. I called it a buzzer. You might call it a bell. School bell. Hey. Okay. Coming up to our hill.
Oblivious Stone said, hi, welcome back.
Hi, Oblivious Stone, thank you. We're back. I'm back, you're back. We're all back.
Linux Physics said, it's too late to be first class period and too early to be second period.
Let's see, have they finished this building down here? Brakes work? Let's have fun. That was trying to pass me. All right, any pedestrians down here? This is great. This is where my spoke broke like 4 weeks ago. It was a $620 broken spoke, but not really. Okay, we got the light up here too. What are we doing? What's everybody doing here? Why are you on the right and why are you on... What are you doing? Okay, you're turning right. Let's see how many cheaters we get. Nope. Nobody. Nobody. Oh yeah, I'm feeling good. Okay, over the railroad tracks. Let's see how it goes. Nice.
Linux Physics said, in the time taking the bus, did you consider using Lime Scooter to get to work?
No, maybe once, but not really. It was actually, for one of the weeks, it was pouring rain almost every day. So, I got pretty good at taking the bus and train. I think it ended up costing me $54 for 2 weeks. And our first dog pooping on stream. Like clockwork. Oh, and it's the free table back. Doesn't look like it.
Oblivious Stone said, transit is getting so expensive.
Free table is still missing in action. Oh yeah, and the price of fares is going up again this summer. I think by about 10% or something.
Linux Physics said, in Austin, Texas, transit costs $1.
See how quiet my bike ride is now? You'll never know if I'm coasting or not. Oh, the light is green. I think I can make it. Avoid the Craftsman collision vehicle. And we're green again down here. I can get this one too. Just got to avoid pedestrians. Oh. And our little bit of stoppage and play here. There's a place for me to, well, I shouldn't talk about where I'm locking my bike up, so I'll shut up now. But yeah, I used to be able to bring my bike inside.
Linux Physics said, almost all transit system around the world are subsidized, from 10% to 90%. Only a few, like Tokyo and New York City, where they don't need subsidy.
SkyTrain. I guess I got to get used to this little bit of slack. Maybe they can take out one thing on the chain or something. I'm taking it back in 2 weeks for them to make sure the wheel they built is still all tensioned properly. More SkyTrain. Ooh, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 car. Whoa, 1, 2, 5 is 5. Oh, and the bike counter is back working on this side. It is 589, it says. But still broken on the other side. Looks like they might have patched up this road.
Linux Physics said, for TransLink, every dollar of operating cost, ticket sale only covers 50 cents.
Huh. Oh yeah. Shoot, I'm almost I'm almost at work already. That was fast. Where can we stop? I know where we can go. It'll be a nice thumbnail every day, I think. Oh, that guy's bell is loud. Ugh.
Linux Physics said, stop at the soon-to-be-built school so you can do a time-lapse of it being built.
That's not a nice view though. I like this view over here. This is a good ending point, I think. Got the Aqua Bus, you got the casino, BC Place, Plaza of Nations. Yeah. How does that look on camera? Let's see. That's nice. Okay.
Olivia Stone said, beautiful.
We do live in a nice
Linux
area.
Physics said, looks great.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go to my new building. I'll talk more about it this afternoon. I've already been there for a week, so we'll talk more about that. This bike ride went by so fast, under 20 minutes, so.
Linux Physics said, thanks for the stream. Have a great day.
Bye, everybody. Bye, YouTube. Bye, Twitch. See you next time.